Woke up to the skyline, the CN towers glow. 6 in my heart, watch the city flow. From Dundas to Queen, watch the streets unfold. Toronto's got stories so fresh, so bold. I'm grinding through winter, chill in the air, but the fire in my soul makes me go anywhere. From the 416 to the 905, Toronto's alive, we thrive and strive. In the city of dreams we rise, under northern skies we chase the highs. From the subway tracks to the skyline views, Toronto, we're living our truth. Dripping in fashion, the culture's on fire. We're all about hustle, we never retire. From Yorkville to Scarborough, we own the scene. Toronto's where we build, where we chase the dream. Stroll through the market, taste every bite. Kensington vibes, everything's right. TTC rolling, we're moving fast. In Toronto, every moment will last. In the city of dreams we rise, under northern skies we chase the highs. From the subway tracks to the skyline views, Toronto, we're living our truth. Toronto, where we break all the rules. From the 6 to the world, we set the mood. Every step we take, we make our mark. Toronto, where the light meets the dark. Toronto, we're living our truth.